this is what I'm doing, is over, under the other one, doing the opposite the row what I've done at the top, pulling it through, not too quickly, pushing it up so it looks alright, so it makes the train track squares. If your cane snaps, always get another one, take it out and redo it. In there and under there. Oh no, this looks like it's going to snap, but don't snap on me. If it twists, you have to untwist it as well. The golf bags keep it tight for you while you're threading in and doing different stages on this. So you can exactly see a pattern of what you're making. It takes time, but anyway, you'll be there in no time. Everyone says it's hard to do, but I don't think it's hard. I will take you step by step every day to do.